Welcome back to Healing Path, where we empower you to build a healthier, happier lifestyle through realistic, sustainable habits. Today, we re-diving into one of the most transformative routines you can bring into your week, meal prep. Whether your goal is losing weight, building muscle, saving time, or simply eating more mindfully, meal prepping sets the tone for success. Instead of relying on last-minute decisions, meal prep gives you a sense of control and clarity. It's like giving your future self a gift, one that makes every busy moment a little easier and a lot healthier. Meal prep isn't meant to be complicated or overwhelming. It's designed to support your life, not restrict it. You don't have to make picture-perfect meals or prep every single bite you'll eat. The magic comes from preparing just enough to eliminate stress. Some people love creating full meals, while others prefer prepping components like proteins, grains, and vegetables so they can mix and match. As you listen, think about your own week and which moments feel the most chaotic. That's your starting point. Let's begin with breakfast. One of the easiest options is overnight oats. All you need is rolled oats, your choice of milk, chia seeds, and whatever flavors you love. You can prep 3 to 5 jars at once and grab one on your way out the door. Another great option is egg muffins. Blend eggs with spinach, onions, or turkey sausage. Pour into a muffin tin and bake. They're high in protein and perfect if you're trying to stay energized. Or, if you're a smoothie person, consider prepping smoothie packs. Fill freezer bags with fruit, greens, and protein powder. In the morning, just dump it into a blender with water or milk. Now let's move into lunches, because this is where most people struggle. One of the best lunch options is a simple grain bowl. Start with a base of quinoa or brown rice. Add a lean protein like grilled chicken or tofu. Then choose vegetables that hold up well, like roasted sweet potatoes and broccoli. Finish with a light sauce like a lemon vinaigrette or salsa. You can make one big batch of each component and mix and match flavors all week so you never get bored. Another great idea is mason jar salads. These are layered to keep everything fresh. Dressing on the bottom, then harder ingredients, with leafy greens on top. When you're ready to eat, just shake the jar and enjoy. When it comes to dinner, meal prep can be a game changer. One of the smartest ways to approach it is to think in terms of building blocks. Instead of cooking 5 separate meals, prepare 3 main components you can transform. For example, roast a large batch of vegetables, cook a tray of chicken, and boil a pot of whole grain pasta. From there, you can turn chicken and veggies into a stir-fry, or combine them with pasta for a simple bowl. You could even stuff them into tortillas with avocado to make quick tacos. By preparing building blocks, you reduce cooking time during the week, but still have room for variety. Snacks are often forgotten, but they play a huge role in keeping your energy steady. Preparing snacks ahead of time helps you avoid reaching for chips or sweets. Instead, portion out nuts, wash and cut fruits, or make energy bites from oats and peanut butter. When healthy snacks are ready to grab, it's much easier to stay on track. And don't forget about flavor. Seasonings, herbs, and sauces are your best friends. A good sauce can transform the same ingredients into a completely different tasting dish. If you're new to meal prep, start small. Pick 1 meal per day to prep, or choose just 3 days a week. You don't have to do everything at once. Over time, you'll find your rhythm and develop a routine that supports your lifestyle. Meal prep is more than just cooking ahead. It's an act of self-care. It helps you align your daily habits with your long-term goals, whether that's weight management, better energy, or simply feeling good in your own skin. Thanks for tuning in to Healing Path. If you found these ideas helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with someone who's ready to elevate their health journey. Your path to healing begins with the small choices you make every day. See you in the next video, and until then, stay committed and keep walking your healing path.